time. So any of our viewers who are interested in knowing what these animals are, I have no idea.
They'll have to tell us.
Tell us what these are in your comments. And remember to give us a thumbs up.
Hold on.
You
baby. He's coming up here. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at you.
I'm just tossing out there.
Oh,
Me too,
baby.
Mary's not.
Yeah. Oh, you're so pretty. Yes, you're so pretty.
Oh, guys, look.
Yeah,
Holy
he'll grab your baby. You're not careful, so.
Hello.
Oh, they were beautiful.
Yeah, you gotta watch for that.
Yeah, okay.
My kid wants to stick its head right down in his crotch. Well, hello.
Hey, go up here and smile.
Do you want a little something? Yeah. Here comes somebody. Oh, look at this brave. Look at this brave. I would consider myself an ostrich whisperer. Well, I have the ability to feed them by hand or by bag.
Now, are they painful when they eat out of your hand?
No, actually.
You're about to find out. I'm gonna make sure it's on your side. Everything.
Holy crapola!
I know. Oh my God. Oh my freaking God.
Oh, fucking.
My God.
How do you feel?
Woo!
Okay, enough of you.
I know.
I don't like it.
I know.
Okay.
I know. Well, hold on, wait. No, he's cut. Oh, look at him go.
Okay.
He's not as messy as the last one.
No, the last one was really messy.
Yeah.
You're an expert.
Oh my
Okay,
goodness. See?
bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Mike, that's so cool. Who knew?
You get better that way?
Oh, big time.
You want some? Okay.
That's awesome.
Here you go. Here you go. Oh my gosh, Hun, there's a look over on the right. Wait.
Oh my God.
Yeah, don't slow down.
Was it a slobbery one?
Oh, that was bad.
Was it-
Are at Cruise Market, or at least I think it's called Cruise.
I think isn't that the name of it?
Yes.
Cruise?
It is. It
And
says it right
this
up there.
little lady here
Right
loves
here.
her barbecue.
Loves it.
it.
Right
And
here in
we're-
the old tummy.
We are in Lockhart, Texas, named after June.
We are.
From Lost in Space.
Oh, June Lockhart.
Barbecue
Lost in
capital
Space.
of the United States.
Yes.
Barbecue capital of the United States.
Yes. All sorts of things. Okay, it smells so good in here. We're walking inside. And it's pretty much empty right now. This place has been around since 1900, I believe.
Sure. Is it more cost effective to do a pint than individuals or not necessarily?
Okay.
We'll do 2 singles of the potatoes.
You wanted the green beans?
I want a single of green beans. And you want to share a mac and cheese?
Sure.
And a single of mac and cheese.
Anything else for you?
No, I don't think so. Oh. You get no water?
I haven't tried the meat yet, but the sides are fabulous. And I'm getting to have iced tea Southern style.
And Mike says Big Red there.
Big Red's a Texas thing, and the brisket is to die for.
My side of twice baked potato is probably the best I've had ever. There's sour cream in it, cheese in it, a little meat in it, and
Love. Lots
I
of love
could
in
just.
Well, where are we?
We are in Lockhart, Texas, and this is the Caldwell courthouse behind us, built in 1893. It's quite spectacular.
It is.
We're so glad we came down to see it.
It is the oldest courthouse on this block. Oldest ever.
I think that's true.
Yeah.
This time he's telling the truth.
I'm telling the truth. Yes.
For once. One cool thing about this courthouse is that it is a still functioning courthouse.
There is a Texas star at the very top of this courthouse. Okay.
Yes, I see
Okay.
that.
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
I'd like to thank you very much for watching these videos or vlogs today. We did the animal zoo. We
Safari.
did the barbecue place.
We
And we
did.
did this courthouse.
That's right.
Smash that like button
That's right.
and click and subscribe. And we've had a long trip today. We've got 6,000 more knots to go. I have no idea what a knot is, but it's a nautical mile.